So let's see how to use this Cutout Craft template for the Final Cut Pro. So once you download this template, you should get the zip file. Now just unzip it and you will get this folder over here. Now just open up that and you will find these folders inside it. Now all you need to do, you need to copy this exact folder in a specific file path in order to install in Fcpx. So for that, open up your finders, go to your movies folder, and then open up motion templates and open up generators. Now in this generator folder, you need to copy and paste this exact folder over here. Then the template will be installed. Now for some reason, if you don't have this motion templates folder under your movies folder, then you have to create it. So let me show you the exact process over here. So what you have to do is just right click over here and click on this new folder. And over here, you have to name it exactly like this, but you have to add an extension. Otherwise, it will not work. So the extension will be, if I just go to this get info, you have to name this something like that. Motion templates.localized. You have to add this .localized at the end. So once you do that, the template folder will be created over here. I'm going to delete this one. Now once you create that folder, go inside and you have to create this folder as well. So right click over here, again new folder, and this time you have to name it as generators.localized. I check the spellings, you have to type it exactly the same over here. So once you create that as well, go inside. Now you can copy and paste this folder over here. Then it will be installed. Now before opening up the Fcpx, if you have to use the same font that I've used, then I will recommend you to copy and paste this font link to your browser, download and install it. Okay, now let's open up Fcpx. And once you open up the Fcpx, in the generator section, you will find this Cutout Craft category. So once you select it, you will find all of these elements over here. They are all nicely categorized over here by their name. So as you can see, number 1 paper cutout titles. Over here, you will find all of the cutout titles over here. This one is for full text over here, and these are all individual text elements, like so. Then if you just scroll down, you will find a background. This is the number 2 background. They all are animated in by the paper crumple effect. And you can also add your custom background over here, as well as custom image if you have any. Then you will find some other elements like this creative. And if you just scroll down, you will find body parts. So in this way, there is 40 plus categories. So this, as you can see, there's a 2 long effects which you can use, actually elements. So it covers literally basically everything. It has kitchen elements, vehicles, birds, insects. So you name it, it has everything over here. If I just scroll down to the bottom, see it has the backgrounds over here. These are the landscapes, 43. So 43 category, and it has everything like this wedding, bride. So you get the idea. So the best part about it, you can search it over here. So let's say you want some car. If you just type car over here, and if I just go to the top, with this car text, you will find, so because it has a card, in display the card over here, this is the carpenter, and you have the car collection over here. Now if I just type bike, see, so let's add a background first. So background, so I'm going to add a background over here. So let's send this one, like so, and let's say I'm going to add some food over here. Let's say burger. See, so I'm going to add a burger over here. So you can shift it over here to delay the animation, like so. And once you drag and drop any elements, you will find an on-screen controller over here. You can control that. And also, if you want, you can select this one, and from this effects control, you can also control the transform and position, rotation, whatever you want. You can also turn off the animation in and out. So let's suppose you want the animation in, but you don't want the animation out. You can do that. So then the animation out will not happen over here. If you turn on that, there will be animation out. So let's drag and drop this one. And if you need the entire food collection, then you have to cut it out and find it over here. So as you can see over here, it is in the number 10 food and drinks. Over here, you will find the entire category, or you can search it over here. So you can drag and drop bunch of food elements if you are making food commercials or something like that, and create your presentation to next level. And of course, you can add titles. So let me show you some clicks for the titles. So let's suppose you want to add food text, but with this individual text. So you have to add this manually over here. So I'm going to add over here this one and just shift it like so, the position. I'm just going to add all.
This. Yeah.
And I'm going to add the D over here. Like so. Now it will be better if you just select all of this individual typography and make a compound clip. I'm going to call this one faint text and click OK. So now you can just select this one and you can move all of them at once. So then just move them over here. You can scale them down if you want, like so. So it is completely handy over here if you just compound clip them. Or if you want, you can just drag and drop this text box title. So this is much easier. You can just type your text. And you can also control the text box size over here. You can change the text and text box color, whatever you want. And with this couple of steps, you can create your presentation very unique. And as I've said before, you have a lot of things over here which you can create. Not only food, you have animals, birds, special monuments, buildings, factories, house accessories, and also you have kitchen, vehicles. See, these war elements over here like soldiers and stuffs, trees, gym, fitness elements. Over here it is electronics, flowers, medical, school. This is for river and sea creature. This is space. This one is for travel, insects, carnival, Christmas, Diwali, Holi, Easter eggs, Halloween, Pride, wedding, landscape. So it's not possible for me to drag and drop everything to show you the example. So that's the thing, how you can use this template. I hope this video helped.